Click subscribe for update video every day.
Just 5 years ago, Samsung was, to most Americans, primarily a manufacturer of high-end televisions. That market was booming, but, in a smart move, the company's management decided to make the brand a global name in other areas. Smartphones have been the greatest success story, but laptops have also been affected. And, as with smartphones, Samsung entered not by offering cut-rate bargain devices but instead a variety of products, including some that push the limits of what's possible. In every category, from the display to build quality to performance, the ATIV Book A to Z are near the top of its class.